Hey, times get so wicked hard. The way the place I run help we lad. Talking to the youth them in the streets. Watch out now. Warning, 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 warning. And me I tell you about roots, reality. Me say the crime and violence get sticky. We want more roots, reality. The youth and nowadays no respect authority. Give me some roots, reality. Enough ways to make it, youth don't blame poverty. Give me more roots, reality. Some people lost them morals and them sanity. Me ask them what do them, what do them, what do them, what do them, what do them. One step in the place and dazzle them. Rougher than Van Dyke, watch how me tackle them. Reggae music me use and hackle them. Make money can broke like the buckle them. So tell the youths the let go the war and stop pointing nozzle them. One of them youth ya, one of them want be shooter. None of them know why yeah, the teachings of Marcus Garvey or even Muta. Some liquor just come out of them brute ya. Can't manage the rum, better drink a fruita. What we want? Roots, reality. Me say the crime and violence get sticky. We want more roots, reality. The youth and nowadays no respect authority. Give me some roots, reality. Enough ways to make it, youth don't blame poverty. Give me more roots, reality. Some people lost them morals and them sanity. Yeah, tell the youth them stop the crime. Meditate and free your mind. Stay far from courthouse and behind bars and jail time. Some said them chip big lock, some said them bossy 9. So what is gonna happen when you drop left mama crying? Some out there on the hustling, every day they on the grind. And some a pop the pill, me hear say some a snort line. Some far from reality, don't get left behind because the way the system set up with design. Me beg you know some roots, reality. Me say the crime and violence get sticky. We want more roots, reality. The youth and nowadays no respect authority. Give me some roots, reality. Enough ways to make it, youth don't blame poverty. Give me more roots, reality. Some people lost them morals and them sanity. Me ask them what do them, what do them, what do them, what do them, what do them. One step in the place and dazzle them. Rougher than Van Dyke, watch how me tackle them. Reggae music me use and hackle them. Make money can broke like the buckle them. So tell the youths the let go the war and stop pointing nozzle them. One of them youth ya, one of them want be shooter. None of them know why yeah, the teachings of Marcus Garvey or even Muta. Some liquor just come out of them brute ya. Can't manage the rum, better drink a fruita. What we want? Roots, reality. Me say the crime and violence get sticky. We want more roots, reality. The youth and nowadays no respect authority. Give me some roots, reality. Enough ways to make it, youth don't blame poverty. Give me more roots, reality. Some people lost them morals and them sanity.